In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Squarespace website. This is a simple yet crucial step in enhancing your site's visual identity and ensuring that your branding is consistent and professional. Whether you're setting up a business website or a personal blog, adding a favicon can help visitors easily recognize your site when they have multiple tabs open in their browser. First, make sure you are logged into your Squarespace account. Now, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is where you'll find the main menu and various site options that you can configure to your liking. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the Settings option. This button acts as your gateway to all the customization options that Squarespace provides. After clicking on Settings, you'll be presented with a range of features and tools to manage your site's functionality and appearance. From here, what we need to do is find the favicon option. It might require scrolling through other settings options, but don't worry, it's fairly straightforward. Click on Favicon Shabam, and this will take you to a new window that specifically deals with managing your site's favicon. Next, you're going to see an option to add a favicon. This is where the magic happens. Click on this option, and you'll be directed to upload your favicon file. It's essential to ensure that your favicon is a clear, visually representative image of your brand. It should be square, typically 32 by 32 pixels, and in a suitable format such as ICO or .png for best results. So now it's time to upload file. In this step, you'll need to have your favicon image ready for uploading from your computer. This file is what will visually represent your site in the Browsers tab and anywhere your URL appears. Once you click on Upload File, simply choose your desired image from your device. Finally, once the favicon is uploaded, make sure to click on Save. This is a critical step. By hitting Save, you ensure that the changes are applied and your favicon is now active on your website. You'll know it's worked correctly if you see your new favicon appear next to your website's name in the Browser tab. And that's it. Adding a favicon to your Squarespace site is as simple as that. Refresh your website page if you don't immediately see the change. Remember, the favicon is a small detail, but it plays a significant role in site identity. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy designing!